Hello guys, I'm super duper excited. You know why? Because I have received a long awaited parcel from Amazon UK, and this is a great magic moments for me. So that is the reason I want to share this personal emotional moment with all of you. So this is I have received from Amazon, and I want to unbox it in front of all of you. So here we go. Oh my god, I'm going to touch and feel the book for the first time. Wow! Wow! Amazing! So here we go. So this is the amazing. I can feel and touch the book first time, for the very first time. Wow. So this is the first cover page, and it's a back cover page, nicely printed, glossy, and it says that it's printed in Great Britain by Amazon. So I can see the quality of printing. The paper is amazing, just amazing. Wow, it is so emotional, you know. Everything is great. These are few of the testimonials by all of you. So here we go. So friends, this is something great, and I want to tell you that without you it was not possible. I have a great regards for all the readers, all the friends who encouraged me to write this book. Thank you very much. This is very magical moments for me, and I'm so emotional. I cannot express my feelings. I want to thank my Iron Lady who was behind my success, none other than my wife Rachna, for being with me in the whole journey. And I cannot forget to mention a principal motivators of my life who always inspired me to realize my dreams, and they are my daughters Adya and Siddhi. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Adya, Siddhi. I'm proud of you. I'm really proud of you. So here we go, and I want to tell that this particular paperback copy is available only in few countries, like it's in USA and then UK and some European countries and then in Japan. So as of now, India it's not available, but yes, I'm working very hard to make it available in India, and soon it will be available. Thank you very much, and it's going to be a part of my library. I'm really feeling so proud. So thank you very much. See you then. Bye.